again. A bug. Oh, snake! Snake!
I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna shoot with you.
Another snake! Ah! Who are you?
I'm Mr. Gecko.
Thank you, you saved my life.
These are real snakes. Look, the paper snakes.
I don't need my axe no more, Ham. I want to know how to make paper snakes.
I will show you. Let's go.
Assalamu alaikum.
And hello, everyone.
My name is Aydin.
And my name is Aideen.
Today we're going to make snakes that you can apparently keep as your pet. Like our jellyfish in a bottle and our caterpillar. Or your pet. Now by dimension, or these pets will have something they do not want. Okay, so let's make it.
So these are the equipment we need to make a paper snake. We need scissors, we need googly eyes, we need glue, and we need pencils, and we need colored paper.
I'll stick the googly eyes. Googly eyes.
Is this time I'm teaching you how to fold it. You fold it simply like this. Yep. I guess you fold it like, and you fold it like this. So now we unfold it, and now we do this.
Okay, so now you should do it with
The other paper.
your other paper.
So if you're done the first one, it would look like this, like a johnstick.
Okay, so now we're going to make the wiggly part of the snake, which is the most funnest part. Okay, so I picked the color green to do first. So I put a little bit of glue. Put wiggly and put blue on. Then I put green on. Then I put green on. Then I put blue on.
So you keep folding it and folding.
Yeah, until you make a giant stack.
Do we have to do this twice?
Not as long as you just fill this whole thing up.
As long as everything's fine.
Yeah.
Tiny bit of the edge, just put some glue. And then stick the same color on top of it.
Wait, so is this okay?
Yep. And then you do it again on the other color. And get the same color and put it.
Okay, so I finished all the paper. You can see how wiggly woggly this is. We're going to do the head, eyes, and then tail. eyes on. We made the eyes. We made the face. Putting the eyes. Now I need to put the tongue. Okay, so first you have to make it like this, like a little strip of red. Make it like this. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of glue. And make sure you put the tongue underneath, not there. Okay. Now we take the bottom part of the where you started from your snake body. Cover the whole thing in glue. I already put the head on. Okay, so we finished our snakes. Both of those look cool. This is probably a fire snake, is it?
Not.
Okay, yours a reptile. Mine's a rattlesnake, maybe. I don't know. But they both look cool. You found a mate. On the board, please. Okay, so now we're gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, inshallah.
And make sure to like and subscribe.
And I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Or this snake will get you.
And
Oh my
bite you.
gosh.
It's poisonous. It's a rattlesnake.
Bye-bye.
Bye.